it's your girl V and I'm back. Little Munchers, Big Munchers. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm not as excited, but I'm excited. Anyway, I'm getting ready to do the smash the greens. Smash the greens, like we used to do. I'm getting ready to do the smash the greens challenge. I know I'm late, you guys, on the scene with it, but I've seen quite a few of you guys' videos and I want to try it. So this video is about to be short. There's steam coming up off these greens. I didn't make the greens. I'm using the Glory greens straight out the can. Warmed them up on the stove. You know, Glory, you know, they have theirs seasoned or whatever the case may be. So I have my measuring cup here. Excuse the paper. I know this is just a tad ghetto, but it is a 2-cup measuring cup. I rinsed it out a little bit, so you probably see like all kinds of dots and stuff on there. It's a little hot. It's a little hot, but I'm gonna put that in there and start measuring it up. So this video about to be short. Like, it's about to be short because I'm talking smack, but I'm about to put the crush on. Well, I was thinking I was about to put the crush on this before I started this video, but now it's starting to look like more than I thought. Originally, I was like, I could do this. This ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. I was like, I could do it, but this look like a lot of greens, yo. Now that I'm like packing it down with the juices. Yo, this about to be the whole can. I'm about to man up. I'm gonna muscle up. All right, so hold on. Y'all see where it's at. I gotta put a little more. So, like I said, this video about to be short because I'm gonna make it short. It's about to be short. It's about to be so short. It's gonna be short like Jim Carrey's pigtails in Living Color. I don't know if y'all remember when he was playing Fire Marshal Bill. Was it Fire Marshal? No, not Fire Marshal Bill. It was the other one where he was playing the steroid taking chick. I don't know the name, but I'm gonna insert a clip in this video so you know what I'm talking about. But it's about to be that short. There it is. I got 2 cups of that. Let me make sure I got it all out. It's about to be short. I know, I'm so annoying. All right, so shout out to Simply K and all the other people that was just in her live a little while ago. I was just in her live this evening, and I was listening in as I was making the kids dinner and stuff, and warming up these greens because I'm shouting her out and some other people in there because she was talking about how somebody came at her pretty much sideways, telling her when you come on here, yo, I swear I do this in every video, y'all. The struggle is real. The struggle is real with this one strap. It be this one strap every time. Okay, so she was talking about how somebody was pretty much talking about expectations or what she should do for her channel, like dress up, put on makeup, you know, hair done, do the whole shebang, be cutesy, wootsy, wootsy. You understand what I'm saying? And basically, if that's a requirement, then a lot of us ain't gonna make it because, which it's not a requirement. We're just saying, to each his own. If you feel like you have to do that to get in front of the camera every day, that's fine. But like she said, for some of us, it takes a lot of nerve and gall to even hit the button in the first place, to go in front of the camera in the first place. And some of us, you know, we're not Maybelline, you know, all that every day. Like, I have makeup that I put on here and there. I do my makeup, my hair, you know, here and there. But other day, like, for the most part, your girl be ponytail, bonnet down, bonnet gang, okay? Which y'all have already noticed. So, as my wigs, all of that. So, you know, kudos to you. But the person was telling her, you know, oh, you gotta be every man's, you know, dream, every desire. You gotta look like how, you know, women envy. I'm looking at my daughter as I'm talking about this too. But so, you know, women gotta wanna be like you, like look like you and all of that. Man, FOH.
Wow.
That's how I'm gonna put it. FOH. Look, not all of us are like that. Not all of us are dolled up like that. And some of us are. And to each his own. We are all beautiful and different in our own right. But every day, and you know, matter of fact, my girl Virgo Queen T, at some point, I was in one of her lives, you know, some time back, and she mentioned the same thing. She was like, don't expect me to get up on here and every time I hit this camera, I'm going to be, you know, a whole beat face and everything else. Some women feel like they can't leave a house without that. Some women feel like they can't get in front of the camera without that. And to each his own. I'm not knocking you. Some days I feel like it, and some days I don't. And most of the time, honey, you're not going to get that from me. You're not going to get all of that from me. Okay? You might see some crust on my face right now, honey. I was eating that meat as I was making them nachos, honey. There might be a piece of meat in my mouth right now. I don't know. But let's get started. This should have cooled off. I said I was going to make this video short like Jim Carrey's pigtails. So let's do this. My daughter got the stopwatch getting ready to go. And I'm going to have it put on the video clip. I can't remember what I was about to say. But I'm going to have it put there so that it'll be going as I'm doing this. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Shout out to Sit and Mo that was in the live. Also, Bonnet Gang. All right? All right, let's do this. You ready? You already on the stopwatch?
I've been ready.
All right. Shade. The shade. All right, come on. All right, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Right.
Yo, I thought I was about to beast this. All right, ready?
3,
2,
1.
go.
Oh, you eating it with your hands?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, I thought I was going to beast this, but... It is good. Y'all, I got my strawberry acai. Yo, this is a lot harder than it looked in the video.
You got 40 seconds right here.
It's still going?
Yep.
Dog.
One minute.
I'm at 1 minute now.
Yeah.
Do I gotta drink the green juice? I don't think so. Wow.
2 minutes. I'm just kidding. Minutes.
All right, the rest is just juice. I'm done, y'all. Hold up. There it is.
Alright. You got it.
That's the juice.
Your time was 2 minutes, 5 seconds.
Woo! Yo, that was harder than it looked. But I do like greens. Let your girl know how she did. Shout out to Tam's Table. This was her challenge. Smash the greens, smash the greens, smash. 8.
That's
8.
unnecessary.
Is it unnecessary? Because everybody seems to like when I bust out in a random song for no reason at all. Anyway, and I'm done. I am done. Bye, babies. Hit like, hit the subscribe. If it's your first time here, thank you for coming. Everybody else, I loves you. Bye, babies.